Hi, this is Mark from Right Line Trading. Today is 6/5/2014, second trading day of the week. Really, we had another day. Really had three trades, three winners. I added a loser here. It was only a tick loss, and actually the trade went on to become a winner. But it really was a scratch loss. Now here's the Russell at 9:30. Now, I held off on this trade. This was really a beautiful trade just because it was early in. The market had just opened by 2 minutes, and the 50 was rising fairly hard. It looks great in retrospect, I'll tell you, because that modified 15 was coming down hard, background bias. Candle was outlined in order flow and momentum, and bam, it just shot down. I was a little unhappy I let that go. And that went 30 ticks. Then we waited for a retracement, which we got. We had the break. Retracement. 50 down, 15's down. See, background bias is pink. Candles outlined in order flow and momentum. 50 and 15 are down. This is the retracement we're looking for. It pushed down 10 ticks. First target is 2 off at 7, 1 off at 12, 1 off at 22. We were on a 7-tick runner, so we made $200 on this trade. Then we had this really, really nice trade. Oops, don't want this. Put this rocket up here. Pull back. Now look at that move. Now the trade went a full 45. But since it was our third trade, we went through our first target at 2 off at 7, our second target of 1 off at 12. I took the fourth contract off at +9. I cheated us out of about $100 on the trade because our fourth would have gone off at 22. So $130. I didn't want to take the risk. We had +10, we had +13. On crude, we had nothing. Pit opened here. $9 and all we just got was a lot of chop. Just nothing to trade on crude. And on gold, I entered this trade short. It kind of lollygagged around. Went our way 3 or 4, came back. Went our way 3 or 4, came back. I moved to break even, and I took a tick loss. And then, of course, look out below. It went 29 ticks. But it just, excuse me, it could have just, it could have just as easily come back against us. I didn't want to take any chances. And so we were out of the trade. This was a C candle right into a pivot. Then there was this retracement again into a pivot. I waited for it to clear the pivot. Even though we're slightly oversold here, we had order flow, stochastic, and momentum with us right off the 15. Here was the retracement. Whoops. I took it. It only went 8. That's okay. We'll take 2 off at 7, and we'll take 2 off at +1. And that gave us our day. I mean, it seems simple, but trust me, there were a lot of potential losses. We just stayed very conservative. So we had 4 trades today. We had 3 winners, and the loser I don't know if I'm even going to put up on our Actually, I'm going to do it. I'm going to put the loser up because it did cost us commissions. Um, it looks like it's it drops the percentage, but because it's only a one tick loss. But on crude we had no trades. The Russ we were plus 10, plus 13, gold plus 8, only a minus one tick on that trade. Net ticks were plus 30. Net equity was plus $670 on 4 contracts. Auto Trader had a second target winner and one loser. So far, it's at minus 100. There's still time for it to trade. It's got till 1:30. So it's 11 a.m. Eastern. It's got till 2:30 on crude, and it's still got a half an hour left on the Russell and on gold. So if it comes back with a 2 target winner, it could still finish in the plus. But we're up almost $1,000, actually over $1,000 in the trading room so far this week. We've really had no losers. The only loser we had was that one tick scratch loss. So we do welcome you in the room. Let me just fix my charts here. If you go to www.rightlinetrading.com, you're going to see a link to our daily net equity in the room, our daily net equity for the Auto Trader, and a link for our free trial. You can go to info@rightlinetrading.com and email us. And you're welcome to call us at 1-855-765-6681. We get lots of calls every day. Please feel free to give us a call, ask us any questions. And we really look forward to seeing you in the trading room. We're just pushing forward. This is not an easy market to trade, and we are avoiding all the losers. So everyone, have a wonderful afternoon. Take care.